Hello everybody, bonjour à tous, c'est toujours Antoine. I will speak in English just after French, but this is my first challenge, so thank you a lot for Kevin. Bonjour à tous, et bien voilà, je remercie avant tout Kevin pour ce premier challenge. I am in this little Philippine shop, dans un petit philippin, et je m'apprête à manger le balut, le fameux balut, c'est-à-dire que c'est un embryon d'œuf d'oiseau. Donc voilà, vous allez voir la petite vidéo, il est 11h30, je me suis levé il y a à peu près 1 heure de ça, et puis c'est parti pour mon premier petit déjeuner. Hey! Okay, so let's go. I will eat the balut. So I just wake up like 1 hour before. So it's my first breakfast. I am in a little shop. Let's do it. Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, do it.
Let's do it. Come on.
So tasty, no? Yeah. Do it. You have to drink half a bottle of the drink.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So just break like.
Just crack like it. Just crack
Oh,
like that. Yeah.
Oh my goodness, no! Why? Okay.
Oh, don't throw the soap. The soap is.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Right.
Yeah, that's the most delicious.
Yeah. You see the soap.
So oh, I can see a little bird inside.
Okay, so salt first? Or no? Just.
Just put some salt.
Yeah.
Okay. Drink first?
Yeah. Drink.
Yeah!
So tasty, right? Yeah. Tasty, right?
The taste is super good.
Yeah. Right.
Oh, for the second part, it's. Okay.
And
Okay.
eat the chicken.
The soup is just delicious, but for this is. Okay! Okay!
Nice.
Kaya pala
Kailangan
yung
sa loob.
Ayun.
Kuya, magkano yung omega painkiller na malaki?
This is our butterflies.
35.
Come on!
Yeah!
You have to taste it, huh? Don't swallow it like that.
Bite it, chew it.
Ay,
Mm.
Chew it. Kinain niya parang
Chew it, yeah.
Yeah!
Tastes good, right? Yeah,
Mm.
see?
How do you feel?
That's super cool.
You have to try it also.
Yeah.
Try one more.
Just don't look at the that. So tasty, right?
I mean, I saw so many videos before of all the people say it's disgusting, don't eat that, after you will blow up. I know. Yeah, okay.
Good, right?
Yeah, that's
Usually
cool.
when
Thank
we
you so
have
much.
that one, we eat 2-3 pieces.
That's super good.
It still works?
Yeah, it's still working. So, thank you so much for the video. I just tried the balut. Thank you very much for this experience. And so, it's okay. It's okay. I like it. You can try it. So, for sure, it's could be looking just maybe less very bad looking, but it's quite good. So, enjoy. Merci à tous. J'espère que vous avez plu pour cette première petite vidéo. Bah, c'était super bon, ça m'a plu. Ciao, peace.